Lights coming up in 3, 2, 1. Going live in 3, 2, 1. Action!
Hello and good day, Atlas Army. I am Max Atlas, continuing my never-ending battle against the forces of darkness, whichever form they may take. Tonight's top stories. Special snowflakes want to ban cheering at sports games to prevent the other teams from feeling bad. Our communist government wants to jack up your taxes, and of course, when don't they? Well, it might just be the key to tonight's top story. You might want to take a sip of water, and then spit it right back out. My sources are to be believed. The government is placing chemicals in our water supply, although instead of inserting testosterone into the supply, as we have suggested many times on this show, they'll be placing chemicals such as soy, which will make us feel as if we are simultaneously 32 of these new made-up genders that the cultural Marxists want to inflict on us. How is a rational mind such as yours truly meant to stay sane in a world gone mad? Well, fear not, my brothers and sisters. I will give you the tools to combat the enemy. Stay tuned till after the break and get those bank details at the ready, because I'll be teaching you how to inoculate yourself from this impending liberal nightmare.
Now you see, that is someone who says it as it is. They're a rare breed these days. Make sure you pay attention.
Could I be speaking to you right now? Life in the Atlas Army is good, but it can always be better. Why not sign up now to become a frontline brigadier in the fight to expose the truth? Work as an intern with our fantastic team to help produce the only show that knows the score. Do your bit, make your loved ones proud, and join today. Disclaimer, internships are unpaid.
So, Josh, are you a big fan of the show?
Oh yeah, definitely. Me and my brother have been watching it every week for a while now.
That's good. And what would you say your special skills are, Josh? What do you excel in?
Well, I'm a fast learner.
Do you believe that the government lies to us?
I'm sorry, what?
Josh, do you believe that the government lies to us?
Yeah, definitely. All the time.
Are you religious at all?
Well, I'm Christian, I suppose, and most of my family are.
And where is your family from?
England. Born and bred.
And which political party do you vote for?
Conservative.
What is your view on films?
Hollywood, Jewish conspiracy theory.
Television?
Cultural Marxism.
Modern literature?
Politically correct garbage.
Video games?
Infested with SJWs.
Do you believe that a woman's place is in the home?
Yes.
And finally, would you, Josh, be proud to be affiliated with this association?
Yes, definitely.
And that's why you need to take your coffee machine and throw it down the stairs. I'll see you after the break, and don't forget to take your daily dose of Intel Max to inoculate yourself from the liberal media nightmare.
Go on! Fuck yes! Come on, look at that! Yeah. He knows what he's talking about, he does. Come on, Mr. Atlas. Go in, my son.
You're Josh, right? Josh Richards? I'm Trent, I'm the head floor manager here. Basically what we're expecting you to do is to follow orders.
Yep, hello.
Get the higher ups coffee, run scripts, directors, that sort of thing.
Giuseppe from Del Rio Pizza.
Oh, and if all goes well, might let you sit on a shoot and give you a real taste of show business.
Yeah, you can keep saying the address. That's...
Look, I've got to go, but head upstairs to the production office, find Dave, and he'll get you all set up.
Yeah, hiya Trent. Yeah, just been doing the cleaning now of the office. Yeah, done the tables. Yeah, done the chairs. Yeah, done the windowsills. Then the windows, yeah. Oh, the windows on the other side. Do I know where the window lean is? No, I don't. Coffee machine is broken again. Yeah, I've turned it on and off of the wall again, yeah. When can you send someone out then? Next week. Sorry, there's people who really, really want coffee now. I really need coffee. Yeah, how much is that going to be, sorry? I got another call. Glenn the gardener? This is an office block, I haven't got any grass. Try your luck somewhere else, mate.
Okay guys, going live momentarily. Camera 2, if you can tighten up that close-up please. Camera 3, we're going to be cutting to you first. Are we okay up in the gallery? Okay, and we're coming into studio in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello and good day, Aberystwyth. My name is Matt Atlas, continuing my never-ending fight to expose the truth and make honest men and women of the world. Tonight we'll be talking about the decision of the coffee company to cut someone from the beloved town. Apparently the only other sane person all the SJWs do is know. They can't apparently the only other sane person in the room creating a problem I don't know.
Charlie, it's me. I'm on the set of Max Atlas. Finally, after all these years.
Stay tuned until after the break. And don't forget to take your daily dose of Intel Max to inoculate yourself from the liberal media nightmare. Oh, God.
Yeah, the broadcast is done.
Jesus Christ, I nearly swallowed that one. Who put the bid in again about the chemicals in the waters, that shit?
That was my idea.
That was your idea?
Yeah, that was my idea. I just thought if it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Right, okay, well, be that as it may, all right? You had better hope that this Intel Max shit doesn't actually work, because otherwise one of these numbnuts is going to get wise to us, and then where will we be? Back to doing real journalism that no one fucking reads. I'll tell you what, to be fair though, the stuff you write is great, like, unbelievable, but you know, whatever keeps the money coming in. Just variety is all I'm saying.
What the fuck are you on about? Complete and utter bullshit. Fake news, that's what it is. Stupid, utter shit. Liberal media at it again.
Welcome back, Atlas Army. I'm coming to you live from my own home today after the forged video footage has led to protests outside our studio.
Have you seen this? This is ludicrous what they're saying about Max Atlas' TV show. Saying he doesn't respect the audience and he thinks they're all fucking morons. Footage was clearly faked. More left-wing media manipulation, I reckon.
And going mad with deep fake technology. It's real, you know?
It's true. All of it. I released the footage.
After everything I did for you, after all the opportunities I got for you,
They've been lying to you. These pills, they don't do anything. It's all bullshit.
don't you dare talk to me like that, you little shit. Go on, walk out, go on.
While the liberal media may try to silence me, I will continue to bring you the truth, the unadulterated truth. Trust in me. Forget all other influences and trust in what I say.
It affects real people's lives, and I think it's reasonably worthy.
You are my Atlas Army.
A whole host
You are
of
loyal.
radioactive isotopes.
And I believe.
Science was put on the shelf. This goes on and on.
No, just put it on the shelf for a second.